Traffic surveyors play an important role in assessing and analyzing the traffic patterns and flow in various areas, including Noida Extension. With the increasing population and urbanization, it is crucial to have a well-planned and efficient traffic system in place. This is where traffic surveyors come into the picture. They conduct surveys to gather data on the number of vehicles, their speed, and movement patterns in different areas of Noida Extension. This data is then used to identify areas of congestion, plan road infrastructure improvements, and optimize traffic management strategies. One of the key aspects of traffic surveying is the design and implementation of effective traffic control systems, SCON design. Traffic control systems are essential for managing traffic flow, reducing congestion, and ensuring the safety of motorists and pedestrians. SCON design involves the careful planning and placement of traffic signals, road signs, lane markings, and other traffic control devices. The goal is to create a cohesive and synchronized traffic network that allows for smooth movement of vehicles while minimizing delays and accidents. Traffic surveyors in Noida Extension work closely with engineers and urban planners to develop SCON designs that meet the specific needs and challenges of the area. In Noida Extension, traffic surveyors face unique challenges due to the rapid growth and development in the region. The area is witnessing a surge in residential, commercial, and industrial projects, resulting in increased vehicular traffic. Traffic surveyors use advanced technology and software tools to collect and analyze data, identify bottlenecks, and propose solutions for improved traffic flow. They also play a crucial role in educating the public about safe driving practices and promoting awareness about traffic rules and regulations. In order to evaluate and analyze the traffic patterns and flow in different regions, including Noida Extension, traffic surveyors are crucial. A well-organized and effective transportation system is essential given the growing population and urbanization. Traffic surveyors can be useful in this situation. They carry out surveys to compile information on the quantity of vehicles, their speeds, and their patterns of movement throughout Noida Extension. Then, using this information, traffic management tactics are improved, congested regions are located, and road infrastructure improvements are planned. The creation and execution of efficient traffic control systems, SCON design, is one of the most important components of traffic surveying. For managing traffic flow, decreasing congestion, and assuring the safety of drivers and pedestrians, traffic control systems are crucial. Traffic lights, road signs, lane markings, and other traffic management systems must be carefully planned and placed as part of SCON design. The objective is to develop a coordinated and synchronized traffic network that promotes efficient vehicle flow while reducing obstructions and mishaps. In Noida Extension, traffic surveyors collaborate closely with engineers and urban planners to create SCON designs that address the region's unique needs and difficulties. Traffic surveyors in Noida Extension confront particular difficulties as a result of the area's rapid growth and development.